This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP. I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate Mandeep Singh with candidate number 110901. Okay, Mandeep, first of all, please introduce yourself.
My name is Mandeep Singh Suman. I am from town Balachor. It is situated in district Namazar.
Okay. What is your educational background?
I recently passed my secondary education from Punjab School Education Board.
Okay. So tell me something about your school.
My school is very clean and it is very green, and teachers are also very good.
Okay. What do you like the most about your school?
I like its playground. It is very big and every sports are welcome, and I like to play there.
Okay. Is there anything that you do not like about your school or you want to improve in your school?
Everything is fine, but I like to, if I had opportunity, I would like to repair water facilities and bathrooms.
Okay. What changes you have observed in your school during your study time?
I observed many changes, like in past times less games are available, but now games are available, like many games equipments are available, and more trees are planted, and also classes are prepared.
Okay. So let's talk about your daily routine. Do you like your daily routine?
Yes, I like my daily routine. I always follow it, and I will follow it because it is beneficial and it helps to maintain our time.
Okay. What changes you want to make in your daily routine?
I want to change my morning walk time, because I got up early and I like to increase my time. I like to spend more time on exercises to live healthy life.
Okay. Which activity you enjoy the most throughout your day and why?
I enjoyed my study time. I enjoyed it because I like to study and my parents and teachers help me in study. I like it because during study time I enjoy studying, so I like studying time.
Okay. What do you do to relax yourself?
I spend some time in parks and in open places, like on rooftops, and sometimes I do some exercises to relax ourselves, and sometimes I do meditation.
Okay. Do you think students need more relaxing time?
Yes, it is important, because after relaxing, students are able to focus on their studies, and it acts as a stress buster.
Okay. How we can make every day special?
We make every day special with our time management. We manage our time and follow it, and always keep smiling and get disciplined. In that way we our day.
Okay. So are you a disciplined person?
Little bit I am a disciplined person. In some activities I am disciplined, like in my exercise time and in my study time I am disciplined person.
Alright, okay. Okay, Mandeep, now we will start with part 2 of speaking, that is cue card. Okay, your cue card is talk about a magazine article you read about healthy living or online article about healthy living. Right? An article that you have read about healthy living. Right? So you can make notes if you want. You have 1 minute to prepare for this and you have to deliver it for 2 minutes. Your time for preparation starts now. Alright, okay. Please start.
I like to read newspapers to know about current affairs, and here I would like to talk about article of magazine which I read last Sunday. It was about our health, and it tells about the fitness of our physical and mental health. I read it in my library. I visit there, and it was monthly magazine. I read it with curiosity. It was about how to meditate properly, and how to begin doing physical exercises. There are many remedies on it. In magazine, it was very long article. I read it in half an hour, and from it I know about how to maintain our health. There are many steps, and writer of that article shares his personal experience. I like to read it.
Okay, that's it. Okay, we will move towards part 3. All the questions. What are the most popular ways of keeping healthy in your country? What are the most popular ways of keeping healthy in your country?
In my country, to be healthy, people join gyms and do exercises, and some people go for morning walk because morning walk is very good option to be healthy.
Okay. Do you think most people worry more about their health as they get older?
Yes, according to me, old people are more worry about their health, because as people become old, they focus on health, because our changing food is not Due to our changing environment, they get sick.
Okay, why do you think some people continue bad habits when they know that they are damaging their health?
Because some people think it is pleasurable for them. Or they are not aware about it, so they continue bad habits.
Okay, alright, thank you very much.